Hey everybody, we are out here in Steamboat Landing at the new DSLD model home, and we are so excited to announce that they have finally started building some of their homes over in this gated community. They have released 8 different floor plans to choose from, and they're very affordable. They start from as low as $614 up to $944.
Looks like right now from what we've seen, and we can get you all the information on floor plans, pricing, lots. There's 30 plus lots that are going to be offered in this package for them, and it's just an exciting time for DSLD to come across from the other side of Hammock Bay now into Steamboat, and we look forward to representing you as a buyer coming to Steamboat.
So be watching for the grand opening, which will be coming in January. So give us a call, 850-320-8262. We'll be happy to help you out.
And if you want all this information, just reach out to us. Reach us by phone, email, however you need to. Be glad to send you all the information.
Thanks, guys.